About nylon carpet. There are a variety of different types of carpets available on the market today, but one of the most popular choices is nylon carpet. What is nylon? Nylon is a synthetic fiber made from polyamides. It is thermoplastic, which means it can be repeatedly heated and cooled without breaking or changing form. Nylon has high strength, elasticity, and durability, making it ideal for use in carpeting. It also resists staining and fading, making it a popular choice for flooring in general. Nylon carpeting was first developed in the 1940s as a replacement for wool carpets. Nylon was chosen because it was a durable and stain-resistant material that could be produced at a lower cost than wool. Nylon is a durable fiber that can take a beating and still look good. It has excellent texture retention and is highly resilient, so it keeps its original form, even after being used frequently. As with most things, nylon carpet can be expensive, depending on the quality you choose. However, it's considered to be a good investment, as nylon is a durable material. The cons of nylon carpet. Nylon can be a bit slippery, which can be a safety hazard in high-traffic areas. Nylon carpets are prone to static electricity in dry climates, especially when compared with carpets made from other materials. Nylon carpets also aren't as soft as other options, so if you're looking for a soft, luxurious feel to your carpet, nylon may not check all the boxes that you're after. The advantages of nylon carpet. Nylon carpet is a great choice for your home because of its durability and resistance to stains. It is hypoallergenic. It comes in a variety of styles, colors, and texture options. Cleaning nylon carpet is much less of a headache than for carpets made from other materials. Tips to help keep your nylon carpet looking its best. Vacuum regularly. Clean up spills as soon as they occur. Use a cleaning solution specifically designed for nylon carpets. Regularly shampoo your nylon carpeting. Call Go Carpet Cleaning for a professional carpet cleaning periodically. Carpet with mid to high quality nylon can last between 12 to 15 years if in a low traffic area. The secret to nylon carpet's durability lies in its resiliency, its ability to literally bounce back from compaction. This makes nylon stand in contrast to other types of materials frequently used for carpet, such as polyester, which lack resilience. Nylon carpets can flatten over time, especially in high traffic areas. To prevent this from happening, make sure to clean any spills or dirt as soon as possible, rather than pressing them into the carpet with use, and avoid using harsh chemicals or cleaners on the carpet that can cause the fibers to break down. Which is better, carpet, wool, or nylon? Nylon carpets are durable and stain-resistant, while wool carpets are soft and can be resistant to moisture. The hardest wearing carpet is nylon, as it is a durable and stain-resistant material. Wool carpets can also be long-lasting, but nylon is a better choice for high-traffic areas. Ultimately, the best type of carpet for your home depends on your specific needs and preferences. Nylon carpet is easy to clean. However, make sure to clean any spills or dirt as soon as possible, and avoid using harsh chemicals or cleaners on the carpet. Contact Go Carpet Cleaning today to schedule your next carpet cleaning. Call us at 678-818-5698 for a free quote, or visit our website, gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com.